friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Sadashara. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a demonstration of cloud storage and Cloud SQL. See here, the overview of this lab is, in this lab, you create a cloud storage bucket and place an image on it. You will also configure an application running in the compute engine to use a database managed by Cloud SQL, and also you will configure a web server with PHP, a web development environment that is in the basis for popular blogging software. And outside of this lab, you will use the analogous techniques to configure these packages. You will also configure the web servers to reference the image in the cloud storage buckets. That is overview of this lab. I'm going to discuss each and everything. Now coming to the objective of this lab is creating a cloud storage bucket and placing the image into it. Create a Cloud SQL instance and configure it, and connect to the Cloud SQL instance from this web server. These are the objectives of this lab. Now I'm going to connect with GCP. Here I'm using um, QuickLab to practice these concepts. Now I'm going to uh, GCP here. See, this is my GCP. I am having credentials. Now another account. Sorry. Control C, Control V. Coming to the password. This is my password. Click on next. I'm going to accept the agreement. I'm clicking on just done button here. It's opening. In the meanwhile, please subscribe my channel Sada Learning Hub and click on the bell button to get the latest updates. Now it's open. It's a GCP. Now we will get an privacy policy. We'll wait. Now I'm clicking on the accept here. Now I'm going to create a VM instance after this. See here, go to compute engine. Now click on the VM instance. Now it is going to open the create instance page. Now click on the create button here. Click on create button here. And give the name here, blog block. I'm going to give host host. And the zone, I don't want to change any zone. See here, I don't want any zone. Mission type is I'm going to make it as a default. And coming to here, boot disk, that is also I don't want to change anything. Now firewall, coming to firewall, I'm going to click on HTTP traffic. Click on, now see here, if you click on this, you will get more options at here. Inside the more options, and coming to enter the startup scripts here, you will see security. In the click on management security, open that section of the dialog. Now enter the following the script at here. Now see, now it is see there is an automation script at here, startup script. Now I'm going to enter the startup script at here. I have some script here, means I'm going to install Apache 2 and PHP MySQL. Now I'm going to put the startup script out here, and after that I don't want to do anything. Now I'm clicking on create button. Now VM instance is going to create. Now see here, I've written apt-get update, means whatever the packages are there, those are packages are going to update. After that, what I'm going to apt-get install Apache 2 PHP and PHP MySQL. I'm going to install MySQL and as well as the Apache 2 server. After that, I'm going to restart the Apache 2 server at here. This script is going to execute after creating our VM instance. Now see, VM instance is going to creating. Now see here, VM instance is created. Now I need this internal IP. I want to put it in somewhere. I'm going to put, this is my internal IP, and coming to here, this is my external IP. This is my internal IP and this is my external IP. Finally, one VM instance is created with the Apache 2 server and as well as MySQL DB. Now, after that, I'm going to create a cloud storage bucket using the gutil command line. For that, now I'm going to create a cloud bucket. For that, I'm going to use gutils command. Now for that I'm going to go with this is my cloud active shell. Now I'm clicking on this here, cloud active shell. Once you click on the cloud active shell, it is going to connect. For our convenience, enter you choose location in the environment variable called location. Enter any one of this location. Now I'm going to put the location into one. US is my location. I'm going to put it into the location variable. Now I'm going to export US country into my location variable. After that, in the cloud shell, the dev shell project ID environment variable contains your project ID. Enter this command to make the bucket named after your project ID. Now for this, I'm going to use this command. Now see, this is the command I'm going to use it. Now here what it is going to happen, now this command is going to use in the cloud shell the dev shell underscore project underscore id environment variable contains your project id. If you see in this variable contains my project id is available, sorry, in this variable contains my project id is available. This project id, enter the command line to make the bucket name after your project id. Now see, I'm just click on enter. Now it is creating the bucket. Now see, the bucket is created. After that, retrieving a banner image from the public accessible cloud storage location. Now there is a public banner is available. That public banner I'm going to take it into my bucket. Now see, sorry, control C and control V. Now see here, I am using gutils command. For this gutils command, I'm going to use cp means copy. Whatever the image is there, I'm going to copy into, I'm copying from my uh, public access folder. Now see here, this copying. Now just it is copied. After copying this image, uh, copying the image, after copying the image, I'm going to put it into my cloud storage bucket. Now see here, I copied image successfully. After whatever the image you copied, I'm going to put it into my cloud bucket. See, gutil is the command, cp is means copy that particular image. I'm going to put it into my bucket. This see, this is I'm going to create my bucket. After that, this is I'm going to uh, copy the image from the public access folder. After that, I'm going to put it into my bucket. Whatever the bucket recently you created, I'm going to paste it into my bucket. After that, we need to modify the access control. If you want to modify the access control list of this object, you just create so that it is readable by everyone. If you want to give the access, we need to give the access to everyone. For that, I'm going to use this command to give the access to everyone. Now see, gutil is the command, ACL is the access, ch-u all users. I'm going to give the access to access this image from my bucket. See, now I'm giving the access. See, I'm executing the 4 commands at here. The first command I'm going to use, I'm setting the location. After that, I'm creating the bucket at here by using the mb command. After that, I am copying the image from the public access folder by using the cp command. After that, I'm paste it into my bucket. After that, I'm giving access to everyone by using the ACL ch command. Now I am successfully created the bucket. After creating the bucket, simply I am going to demonstrate how to create Cloud SQL instance. Right? Now, how to create the Cloud SQL instance. Now I'm going to minimize this one. Now just click on here. I'm going to show you how to create the Cloud SQL instance. Click on these 3 lines. After that, go to the storage option, where it is. I'm going to storage option. Now click on, I'm going to the storage option. Now click on the browse. I'm clicking on the browse. After that, I will try to search for SQL. No, sorry. See here, I'm created the one bucket, right? This is my bucket. This is my bucket. Click on here. Cloud storage. Getting market. Now see here, SQL. I'm clicking on the SQL at here. I'm trying to show you Cloud SQL instance, how to create it. Just I'm clicking on the create instance at here. Now it is going to show you these are the two databases are free. Now whichever you want you can select it. I'm going to select for MySQL at here. Now after that we need to give choice is permanent. Use lowercase letters, numbers and parentheses stars the letters. Instance ID. Now block DB. I'm giving the instance ID as the block DB. Now set the password of this root. I'm going to give BLOG. BLOG. I'm going to give password is also same. Now just click on the create. Now MySQL instance is going to create it now. Once creating the MySQL instance, now it is going to give you the IP addresses to access this MySQL instance. We need to wait for some time to create this instance. Now it is creating, it's taking time. Oh my god, it is taking so much of time. See here instance ID is block DB and coming here type is MySQL second generation and coming to high availability and locations. Once after creation these values are going to display. Up to now we seen how to create a compute engine and a virtual machine. Compute engine inside the virtual machines, how to create it. After that we seen how to create the cloud bucket. See, this is the cloud bucket, how to create it by using the cloud shell. Now I'm creating the cloud bucket by using this command. After that how to copy the resources and how to put that resources into our cloud bucket. After that finally how to give the access to all this cloud bucket to use the other customers. It is creating so much of time. Now MySQL instance is created. If you see here, see my block DB is created. It's a high availability is added and location is added. Done. Now I'm going to use this MySQL instance is created. Now I'm trying to create the user account for this. Now see here, users. In this users, I'm going to use to create my user account. Create a user account for this. Now for this user account, I'm going to give the username as blog db user. And coming to the password type, whatever you want, you can choose it. Coming to the password, I'm giving blog db and click on create here. I created it. Now see here, it's created. Now if you see, now it is creating. Wait, see, user is created. Now if you come here, now see here, db block db user is created. Once it is created, go to the connections, at here. We need to add the network. Once we go to here, we need to click on add network. After clicking on the add network, if you are offered the choice between a private IP connection and the public IP connection, choose the private IP for your purpose of this lab. The private IP feature is an beta at this time in the labs written. The add network button may be grayed out of the user account creation is not yet compared. For name type, web front, the network type is the external IP address for your blog host virtual machine instance by 32. Now the result I will show you how exactly it is. Now I'm going to add the IP address here. Now web, I'm going to type web front end head here. Coming to IP, my virtual machine IP, see this, my external IP is this. I'm going to use this my external IP. Now slash 32, right? Yes. Now I'm clicking on done button here. Once you click on done button, we need to click the save. Now your configuration is successfully saved. After that, up to now we see how to create a compute engine instance. After that, how to create the cloud bucket and how to create MySQL instance with the username MySQL instance, and how to create the account in MySQL instance, and also how to add my networks in the MySQL instance. After that, I will show you how to configure an application in the Compute Engine instance using the Cloud SQL. For that, now it is successfully saved, right? For that, now I'm going to click on this navigation menu. In the side of the navigation menu, go to Compute Engine and go to VM instance. Now I am at VM instance. See, this is my virtual machine is running inside it. Now I'm going to click on SSH at here. Once you click the SSH, it is going to connect automatically. You no need to worry. Anyways, just now while creating my virtual machine, I installed MySQL and as well as MySQL client and as well as Apache 2 server. I'm going to add one HTML page in the Apache 2 server. I'm going to add into Apache 2 server. For that, Apache, if you want to add anything into Apache 2 server, we need to go to this particular folder. Now I'm going to this folder. Now click on here. Now I'm in Apache 2 server. This is the folder structure. Once you added any files at here, we can directly access it. Now after that, simply I'm going to create one page at here. For that, I'm going to use this command. I'm going to edit this particular page. Now I'm going to here. Now I'm click on enter here. Once you edit this page, I will get like this. I'm going to add something inside it here. I'm going to add HTML page at here. Now see, this is my HTML page. Before that, this is my server, and coming to the password, I'm going to use this password as blockdb. Using the password is blockdb. This is my password. Now I'm going to paste this into here. Now I'm going to exit, Control X. I'm going to click on S. Now Control O. First Control C. I'm going to cancel it. Control O. Control X. Oh my god. Control C. Control slash. Control C here. Control exit here. I'm clicking on Y. Control X. Control Shift N. Now I'm checking once again. Nothing is there, right? Now I'm quitting. Control O. I'm clicking. After that, Control X. Enter. Control X. Y. M hyphen A. Control Shift Y. Now I will try to check it. Yes, it's there. Control X. Now I edited successfully. Now I'm going to restart my server once. For that, I'm going to use the command called sudo-service. I'm going to restart my server. See here, sudo service. Now server is going to restart. Now server got restarted. Now find I'm trying to access that particular page here. Now this is my Apache page. After that, I'm going to search index.php. See, welcome to my excellent blog. Database connection is failed. PHP network guidelines. Info name service unknown. Something name service is unknown is I'm getting. Maybe I'm putting the wrong username and password. Because of that reason, it is giving the error. Now see blog db user. That's okay, correct. And coming to the password blog db. Maybe I'm putting the wrong password. Because of that reason, it is giving this error. Right, this is the way to connect with the MySQL instance by using MySQL instance by using a virtual machine. See here, simply I'm created MySQL instance in the compute engine. Inside the I'm created a one virtual. I created one virtual machines. While starting the virtual machines, I installed MySQL client and as well as the Apache 2 server. After that, I created a MySQL instance. I'm trying to access MySQL DB by using Apache 2 server inside the Apache 2 server. Right now, I successfully communicated MySQL DB. Next, how to connect with cloud storage bucket. How to connect the cloud storage bucket. Now go to the navigation menu, click on storage at here. See, this is the storage, and click on the browser. Now, previously I created a one bucket at here. This is my bucket. Now I'm clicking on this my bucket. This is my bucket I created recently. In this bucket, there is an object called my excellent blog.png. This is the PNG I copied, right? By using these commands, I copied my excellence.png. I copied. After that, now go to here. I created this one. This is my bucket. Copy this URL behind this link icon that appears in that object public access column, or behind the word public link is shown here. Now if you want to access this one, just we need to copy this. Now this is my I'm uploaded into my bucket. This is my image bucket. Now we can copy this URL. We can copy this URL, or otherwise there is a public access column. Inside the public access column we can copy this. If you see neither a link icon or nor a public key, try to refreshing the browser. If you still do not see this link icon, return to the Cloud shell and confirm that your attempt to change this object access control list with the gsutils aclch command Kubernetes engine workloads was successful. Return your SSH session to your blog host virtual machine. Enter this command to set your working directory of the document to the root to the web server. Use the nano command by using this. Now I'm trying to check this one. I'm going to put this image. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this link. Now go to this cloud SSH. Already it's there. Now I'm going to this. I have an image link. See, this is my image link. I'm going to use this image link at here. Control V. Now I'm going to here. I'm going to use the index.php. Now I paste it somewhere at here. After this, I'm going to paste here. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to copy and paste. Control O. M hyphen A and enter. Control Y. Y. Control X. Now I'm trying to check this. Oh shit, it's not added. Now I'm clicking on enter. Control V. Now I'm trying to press Control Shift O. After that, Control X. Control O. Control X. What happening here? Control exit here. M hyphen A. Save file under different name. No. M hyphen A. shift in, append, yes. Do you want to override? Yes. Control X. Now I am trying to check it. Shit. Change is not available at here. Control M. Control V. After pasting this, Control O. Pressing enter. Control X. Now I think so it's saved. See, it's saved. Now I'm trying to restart my server at here. It's restarted. I'm going to the browser of my VM instance. Now this is my VM instance. I'm trying to refresh it. See, I'm able to see my excellent block. Means whatever I'm created, my blogger, sorry, virtual instance, it's successfully created. And coming to, I've created one cloud bucket, it is successfully created. And coming to, I created a MySQL instance, it is also successfully created. Now I'm trying to access my cloud bucket and as well as the my MySQL instance from my virtual machine. I'm successfully able to access all these. That's about this video, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.